in this generation. Una Sel, one person who is not only a singer, she's a songwriter. Yes, she is an actress, award-winning at it. And she's partnered up with the mastermind, a creative soul. I believe that his calling is just the arts. ATI. Guys, Children of the Wind.
Serious?
It's just intense. Mang is a beautiful piece of music.
Wow, thank you so much.
Wow.
Thanks a lot, man.
Sister, welcome to Flavadome. How you doing?
I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. I'm so honored to be here. It's the first time to perform with Flavadome, man. I'm so grateful.
Welcome to the family.
Yeah.
Welcome to the family, sis. But one thing I want to know is this. Obviously, you've been in the art of music and the arts for a while. You've been acting, you've been singing. What made you say, you know what, okay, I've been doing this together with people.
Okay, no. When I started 2017, that's when I released my first single. Then 2018, last year, September, then I dropped my first album. Maybe I got in Then I did collab with ATI. This is my latest single. Yeah. We're just here.
You're just here. It's really exciting. It is exciting.
Yeah.
Working with this vessel of talent, how has it been?
Well, in fact, I remember I liked it the first time I heard it, you know what I'm saying? We were in the car with my boy. I couldn't even hear what she was saying, you know? But I was with one of my boys, and he was like deciphering the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? He broke it down for me. And in fact, when we went to record the verse I did, you know, he was actually he was helping me, guiding me with melodies, sort of like reminding me of what I can do. You know what I'm saying? Because it's been a while since I've been in the studio.
Oh, but you
let alone being on stage. I'm in a lot of trouble right now. I'm in a lot of debts. But you know, I'm good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm still alive. You know what I'm saying? The worst part of it is, you know, ATI is still is not dead. He's alive and
it's not the worst
willing
part.
to rectify everything.
That's
basically
the amazing part. That's the part that we wanted to hear, that you're willing and ready to face it. But right now, just address them shortly, just shortly. Tell those people what you want them to know, and all the people who feel like they should believe the negativity or whatever people have been saying about you. What is the truth that you want to tell them right now?
All I want to say is, all I want to say is I'm no newcomer in the realms of negativity. Crocodile skin is what I possess, and I'm still here, baby. And better yet, you know, it's so natural and so sober, like, you know what I'm saying? So, hello.
You speak in parables, dude.
They know what I'm saying. They know what I'm saying.
I know what you're saying. But anyway, for those of you who want to understand, just hit me up in my inbox. Una, let's go back to you, sis.
All right.
That was the album you've worked with Motla. You've collaborated with the man himself.
Yeah.
So what can we expect? The visual, guys, study video. We like videos. We appreciate videos.
Oh no, I've been shooting my album. My man Bruhare. So sorry, keep like the videos and my collab with ATI video. I think also very soon.
Yeah.
Before October, I better drop the visual.
Okay, so just after the Kapaditzala, we should, yes, we're gonna harass
maybe
you.
after, we don't know, man. The man who is shooting the video, but I don't want to write bank. Okay.
That's what I want. Jack Mutoko is out here. We're waiting for you, Brad. We need that video.
We need that video, man. Before the top, but the video, drop it.
Hey, let's have Oh, man, this is just so amazing. Where can we get a hold of you if at all we want to hit you up a collaboration, book you, see you live and direct performing?
All right, more Facebook, we give it the Una Sel page. Mo Twitter, Instagram, una sel, YouTube, SoundCloud, audio manager, thank you so much.
ATI, any last words?
My last words are Galambadala. Thank you. No, it's not about me, it's not about you, it's all about love, man. Yeah, basically.
Okay, before Rezwan, I just wanted to give a shout out to the producers, Names and Zolasco, and the guy who engineered the song, Tribal Tido. Just want to say, guys, thank you so much for this song.
Oh, man. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us, guys.
Thank you so much.
So enlightening and so interesting at the same time. I do wish you all the best. Keep flying that flag way up high.
Keep pushing.
Thank you. Udacell, as well as